Hi guys, so this is the HT-4 Pro or HT-4 model, and I'm going to show you how to connect to Bluetooth application. So first of all, there will be a QR code on your scooter. You scan using your camera, and after you scan, you see an application like this. So this is the application. You see it says add device. So make sure your Bluetooth here is on. I just turned on mine. Then now turn on the scooter. Now the scooter is on. You see automatically it says device to add. So now the phone is detected our scooter. So now I say add. You hear a beep. After a beep, you can see a Bluetooth signal on the screen. Now it shows it's connected. I say done. So now I can see the scooter. We are now connected. I say allow. So these are applications for HT-4 Pro or HT-4 model.